अगर फैंस की बात की जाए सो बिग बॉस के जो हर एक जो भी कंटेस्टेंट होता है उन्हें कभी कभी फैंस का बहुत ज्यादा प्यार मिलता है, कभी कभी ट्रोलिंग भी फेस करना पड़ता है, तो ट्रोलर्स को लेकर आपकी क्या राय है?
I'll be very honest with you. Contrary to popular belief, I really, really love the trolling and the fun, the meme culture that is there. Because what happens is, at the end of the day, we want to make people happy. And given the year that has been going on, the kind of year that we've had, happiness is something that is very, very desperately required in the world. So if I can be a source of happiness and laughter, I am in full support for it, because I myself have a very, very good sense of humor, and I like, I like these memes, and I like finding out memes and discussing all this stuff, because it's fun, and I do have a very good sense of humor. So I never take these things personally, because uh, personally लेके भी क्या होगा? What will happen? What's the outcome? I might just lose out on a few potential, well wishers, and people who can give me their blessings once they get to interact with me. So instead of becoming ekdam, angry and responding in a very, very big fit of rage, I have my own, I have my own fun with the trolling moments, because I enjoy them myself. So if they are being made upon me, then why not? I mean, I'm good with it. I'm looking forward to it, actually, because I know that there are a lot of memes that happen with Big Boss contestants and stuff like that. So I'm sure that my name is going to be like one of the biggest topics once it gets out into the open.
इस लॉकडाउन में बहुत ज्यादा नेपोटिज्म की बातें हो रही है.
See, being the son or the daughter of someone very prominent, it's not something that you can choose. That's there. वो आप मतलब आप पे नहीं होता चूज करना. What I feel about nepotism is that being being a celebrity's son or something might get you ahead in the line, but talent is what gets you ahead, like further. It gets you a very, very long lasting career. And if I personally speak about it, then I have never had any celebrity status or treatment. I'll be very, very honest. I have, in fact, my mom has, I'm very, very proud, and I can say this with a very, very, iron will, that my mom has raised us very, very far away from the limelight and the entire celebrity life, that people have usually assume that we as star kids are exposed to. My mom has kept us very, very far from it. She's given importance to everything that a normal person needs. Life skills, education has been top priority in our house. Becoming a good person has been top priority in our house. And we are one of those people, we are one of those families where we believe in getting things by achieving them for ourselves. खुद से हासिल की हुई चीजों पे, we all believe in that, because as you know, my dad has never had a godfather. He's never had someone prominent, helping him come into the industry. He's made it from zero to becoming one of the most prominent singers in the world. So that moral fiber is very, very deeply rooted in all of us. And that's because of my mom. She has always in fact, I'll tell you something funny. There have been people who've asked me on Instagram. If you see my Instagram, just yesterday I have put up a story saying that I am Kumar Sanu's son, because the kind of lifestyle that I live, people have a hard time believing that आप इतने नॉर्मल कैसे हो, आप में तो कोई घमंड ही नहीं है, आप इतने सीधे साधे हो. I've had those people, I've had messages in my inbox on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, where people are refusing to believe that I'm Kumar Sanu's son because I am so normal. So I feel very, very happy that, people can connect to me on that level. And as for nepotism, I have never been subjected to it. I'll be very honest. I've not had doors open for me easily. I've not had people telling me, like my dad has never called people up saying, my son is this, my son is that, you need to give him a break. No. If that would have been the case, then I feel I would have had you all would have seen me in a lot of movies singing songs and everything. I would have been pretty famous and popular by now. But I think my parents both believe that you should get things on your own merit, because आपको एक जगह तक तो पहुंचा देगा आपका नाम and whatever it is, but उसके बाद क्या? If you don't have talent, then no amount of stardom and fame and prominence won't get you ahead. You might just get that one break, but then what after that? Nothing. If you don't have talent, then